Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. I just wanted to add some audio to my post here just so that you know that it's actually me who has started a little GoFundMe campaign. This was the last thing that I thought I would ever be doing on my channel, and after a lot of reflection, I finally decided to do so. I started the campaign a few weeks ago. I put it on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram. And after a lot of thought, I decided to finally put it up here on my YouTube channel. So this is a one-time post, so don't worry, I won't be posting about this again on this channel. The link and all the details I'll put underneath this video in the description box. That's the little text box that is under each video on YouTube. And I'll try to get a working link so at the end of the video it comes up and you can click that if you're interested. I guess I'll leave it like that. I'm quite ashamed that I had to actually post this on my YouTube channel. So that's it for this video. As I said, it'll be a one-time post. If you can support me in any way, I would really appreciate it. Thanks very much for watching, and thanks for your time.